Hello, welcome. This is Daboski. Happy New Year to you. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year again to you. Sorry, I've not been able to keep in touch for a while. I got caught up in the whole holidays, and my children have been at home running around and keeping me attracted, not distracted. Well, today with us here, I have Apola, Opoda. And if you remember, you must have seen him in a couple of videos. I'll put the links here, anyway. I'll put the links. You remember him when we were at Hard Rock Cafe when we talked about managing failure. And there's another video where he talked about how you could, about businesses and how you can manage your business. So today we want to talk to you about our new favorite, best app. And Apola, what's the name of the app again?
Productive.
That is the app for 2018 for me. I started my 2018 on a very beautiful note. I have lived, today is like 7th, no, today is 8th. Today is 8th, and every day has been perfect for me. It may not be 100% perfect, but at least I do much more than doing less. So, Apola, what can you tell us about Productive, the app?
Hi guys, and welcome again to Daboski. My name is Dabo and Apola. Productive, I stumbled on Productive last year in December, and funny enough, Dabo did, and normally when he sees things, he doesn't tell me. But this app is somewhere here. I think at some point you will zoom, and it's a to-do app. And I remember when I paid for it, our friend and colleague Keme said he doesn't know why I should be paying for such an app. Every other app does that. But I'm a sticker for to-do lists. I like to check things I have done. It makes me feel very productive. So at this point where I stumbled on this app, I couldn't help but just pay for it, and it's helped me because it's not just about me doing stuff, it's about me having habits, good habits formed. It reminds me to drink water. It's not like, we don't drink water, but it just reminds you to drink water, and you drink water to stay hydrated because, of course, it makes you healthier. It reminds me, you need to go for your jog in the morning, and it comes with my newfound, the Apple Watch, So now it's telling me I have to drink some water, so I need to drink some water to check on. I've done that because I'm in a coffee shop. I've done that, so I'm going to check that out. I love to hear that noise. That sound is not noise, it's beautiful. When I hear that, I feel like I've done stuff. And of course, it's also reminding me that I'm supposed to read a book. So I have other things, different things for different days, different items to check out, and I'm loving it. Dabo told me, he has one of the items there that says he should call a friend, and I added that today also. So I check things out like my spiritual meditation in the morning. Most of you who follow me on Facebook would have seen that I have quite a lot of those things every day. It's courtesy of this same app. I think I'm closer to God. I don't just post it. I read and I meditate on it. So far, it's been a wonderful app. I would advise anybody. Unfortunately, this particular one is not on Android. We only found it on Dabo.
Sorry.
This part must be part of the video.
It's good, of course, it's good.
We have a camera issue. Anyway, this particular app, I think you'll put a link here for the app, but this particular one is not on Android, it's on iOS. But variant, of course, will be on the Android, which I think you'll look for, and also
there are other habit trackers or that you have that are cross-platform. But yes, productive is addictive. It's super awesome. My life has seriously improved since I started using it. It just helps you build this pattern. I was reading Tim Ferriss' book, and they say great people always have a routine. So when you build these kinds of routine and you're able to diligently follow up your routine, and consistently, you find out that there's a general your well-being generally becomes better. You start having more focus. You start having more you start achieving or accomplishing more things. I'm talking about coffee shop and all of that. We are here at Farah's coffee house.
This is another bad habit. Well, good habits you formed.
So if you are coming to Port Harcourt anytime soon, you need to just come to Farah Coffee House. They have espresso, americano,
Nespresso,
cappuccino, all kinds of.
Ask for David Trey when you come, please.
Yes. So
David Trey. David Trey. Let's see your face. That's David Trey.
So he's going to make you a very nice cup of coffee. But beyond that, I think even if you're not using an iPhone, look for a very good habit tracker that could help you improve your lifestyle, that could help you improve all you do. Habit trackers are much more than to-do lists or like a wonder list or to-do list. Habit trackers, they help you build a certain kind of lifestyle.
Okay, so it's not just you having a to-do list, but also a habit tracker. Okay, I just laid down here now.
So it's not just a to-do, like, okay, to-dos do not have to be repetitive, So but these ones now, I on my productive, I have read to my children. It's something I do not do, so I now start doing it, being conscious of it, and start doing it consistently. So part of your 2018 goals, get yourself a habit tracker. It's going to give you more results. It's going to help you accomplish more. It's going to make you more conscious of those things that you need to get done. So from me and Apola, and we'll meet you next time and talk to you next time.
Have a productive 2018.
Thank you, and please subscribe.
Yeah. Just subscribe. Thank you.